Welcome back to the Talkie Challenge.
The car.
I know we want to have a little Talkie Challenge. Talkie.
Oh, yes, you do got a car.
So we have water.
Mine's
Mine's frozen, so I have to drink it from here. This is my cousin. Okay. So we're gonna do chat to him. My cousin's gonna join me, and he's gonna be here right. Where's the camera? Where's the camera? Right here. My talkies. My talkies. My talkies. Okay. He loves talkies. So eat one talkie. No, do it not. Wait, stop it. A bunch of talkies right here. Oh, look how many. Damn. And you can lick the bag when you're done. No, don't eat. Bag from the. I want to lick the bag. What? I'm licking this. I'm licking this.
We're going to the honeymoon. She got to step with strangers.
Suddenly it was real. In my head, it finally
Okay.
White and turquoise.
my mom was gone.
It's ready burning.
Taken away.
I love
Cheesy Mormon dude with perfect teeth.
I love talkie.
I was left at the mercy of strangers.
If you drink, you have to close your eyes.
You gotta be happy, man.
And you need, guess what is it?
I wanted to run away, but my legs wouldn't listen to me.
Regular talkie.
He picked her up
All
and
I
took
did
her.
was stop with him.
Her uncle.
Dude,
I mean,
And like a newborn,
a fake uncle.
I literally
next
put
one.
myself.
Yeah, her fake uncle.
But the last thought that went through my
They
mind
took her
before I
to
made
bed.
my way
Oh,
home.
they got her room and everything. Why is she crying?
Apple.
Somehow, some way, this
Apple.
was a little.
Apple
And
talkie.
it would all go away in the morning when I woke up.
She better not be crying in the
Who
morning.
winning?
I admit.
Here it is.
Apple
There's a table
talkie.
of contents in the front. It's annotated, and there are footnotes. I know you've only been my counselor for a week, but I feel like I can trust you
Go
implicitly.
get that knife
So
out to
don't
break
pull
this.
any punches.
She gonna
I
make
have no
them
ego
up.
attached to this, so whatever you say, I will not do.
No, you. You want to talk
Does
about
anything
golf?
jump out that isn't
No, I'm
quite right,
not.
artistically or otherwise? What about doctrinally? Does everything seem sound?
I'm sure it all checks out.
It's really big, Kate.
Cookies my shit.
Wait, are you watching this?
Too big.
Psych out.
I know, right?
Oh, I still
What?
don't think so.
This is gonna be the most uplifting camp these girls have ever been to, thanks to this dynamic duo right here.
More like you.
There's all different kinds of
Just happy to
softies.
help. Did you guys work out your little disagreement? Oh, yes. Nedra and I had an amazing
Dun,
talk, and we
dun,
really
dun,
feel
dun,
like this
dun.
plan realizes
Na,
all
na,
of
na,
the goals
na.
of
I know what
character
you
as well as
said.
parts of the
What?
presidency.
You
Really
better
think
fun.
that's just how
Talking about my
I
stick
think it's gonna be our
and
best
my
one
nuts.
yet.
Oh, yeah. You want one?
What?
Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Down here, those are the trophies.
Good morning.
And you win,
Technically.
you get a lick from a big ice. Wait, when this pops up,
You're suffering from.
this, the trophy, that means apples right here. I mean, that means I won. Apples at you, that means I won. Apples at you. I can't wait to suck. I can't wait to suck the ice. Go get a plate. Go get a big ass plate. Okay, go. Go. Or you're not eating no ice.
I know you wanna stay here.
Go.
The mountains are so beautiful this time of year. The weather's perfect. I mean, when you grab a couple of
You can see it from here. Oh shoot!
Of course.
I can't take this. How Drew's gonna eat it?
If you change your
Oh,
mind.
it's gonna look like a ice cold water. There's only that plate. Who cares? My eyes. Ooh, it's my eyes. Come on. Ooh.
Hey, I'm gonna go to the zoo. Shut up now. I'm gonna take care of all the
Oh,
paperwork.
dang.
No big deal. I can do it. Hey, I'm not gonna push this. She's been through a lot lately.
Where?
from our church get together.
Don't look it. Stop. Give me my. Dreamy.
This is the first year, Mona.
You look up. Tell me get it open.
Excited? Okay. Alright. Interesting.
screaming.
Ready for the trial of focus here.
Mookie.
Oh, and we could do firebolt and
Potion.
Even if she does come, we still
What do you mean?
Mookie, look my little hat.
You're not.
we see bears, cougars, coyotes,
Hey, look my little hat.
moose. Poison ivy, poisonous
Lick
snakes,
my hat. Hey, you come over
for
here.
starters.
Buddy.
She's your daughter. You have to.
Lick my hat.
It's not that simple. I've been taught to say tomatoes very simple.
No, just
They got the
because
water
I didn't
dripping
have
all
any
over.
idea.
Pick up this. Quick, quick, quick.
They don't
Wait,
talk
lick
to
my
my
I don't know what they
children.
do.
I don't talk
What
to
are you
just
doing? What you did with the eyes,
actually
Mookie?
interested.
Oh
None
my
of
God,
them
Papa
really
gonna kill
go
y'all
to
bitches.
them. The youngest one, the only beehive.
Pick up this knife.
We call all the first year campers beehives. Why do they call them beehives? Why don't they just call them bees? I've been saying that for years.
I got my little hat.
Pick up that fucking thing from the floor. I think she's gonna wanna go.
Yeah,
With
but I don't
controller,
think
man.
it's
Go where? To the camera.
Come on, let's look at the
Huh?
eyes.
It's huh?
Right. Could you please
So
excuse
guys,
us for a second?
back.
It's huh?
We had a party. I
hate
ice.
What's this
You
called?
can have these Takis.
This is the number, right?
Yeah, that's mine.
Promise you too. You're the only beehive. Your
No,
mom needs your help.
we both
I
want
need
it.
spirit.
What?
We're gonna take
That big eyes? The eyes? Yeah.
I would like you to
Right there when it's tight.
I want it to be your choice.
I don't have a
Maybe somewhere
picture.
out here. Come on, just give it a shot. Just for me.
You. I like your stuff.
What if I come to bees nest with you?
Taking it out later. Eat this.
The hive. If I come camp with you,
I came to play. Where's your hat?
I'm gonna
The
start.
hat. Whip.
My work here
Whip,
is
whip,
done.
whip.
I will see you
Can't say
all
that.
bright and early Tuesday
I want to
morning.
get the
Okay?
big eyes.
You are gonna get along with the girls so well.
Oh, shit.
I agree. Okay, toodaloo.
Okay, Takis. Get ready for Takis. Takis.
I really don't
Ready?
have to do this.
Next
Okay.
one.
I want to. I mean, it might be good for me to get up in the mountains. And
Salsa
I just
Takis.
hope I'm not messing with the
It's
memory.
gonna be nice.
Sauce.
Oh, that's where it's priced
I'm not
off.
gonna be totally weirded out by anything, am I?
It's that. My turn. My turn. That's a little.
Everybody clean everything, bitches. Louis, do not throw that back there. Oh my God, look at that.
They got Takis, different Takis. So, bye guys. Don't touch it. I love it.
This was it.
Yeah,
I
it has
was
to
done.
go in the water.
They were bringing me to a compound to be nursed
So,
and hidden.
guys, I know we tried all the Takis, but bye guys.